How to install IMDb Movies application in your Google Play Store. So first of all, launch the Google Play Store and make sure that you're logged in with your Google account. Once you're here, tap on the search icon from the bottom right corner. Tap on the search bar and in the search bar, search for IMDb Movies. Search for it. There you have IMDb Movies and TV Shows application. Tap on it. If you want to view the information or ratings review, you can scroll down and view from there. Once you're done, tap on install button. Now, depending upon your internet connection, this might take some time to install it in your device. After the completion of installation, you can simply open up the application and you can use the application. And that's how you can install the IMDb Movies application in your mobile device. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.